Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I'm going to tell you all how to make pineapple jelly yogurt. So let's start. Firstly, I made the jelly according to the instructions given behind the gelatin packet. I used one sachet of it in pineapple flavor. Then I'm going to allow it to get firm. Till then, I'm going to mix together around 1.5 cup of yogurt. Plain yogurt, you can also use Greek yogurt. I'm going to whisk it until all the lumps get finished. Then I added in around 1 cup of fresh cream, half cup of condensed milk. I'm going to whisk it once more. Okay, now once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and check again if my jelly is firm or not. If it is firm, then I'm going to crush it using any utensil. I used fork over here. If you can use any utensil you like. Okay, now I'm going to pour it inside the yogurt mixture that we prepared. Okay, and then into that I'm going to add in around 1 cup of thinly sliced pineapples. Mix it using the cut and fold method. Now it totally depends on you if you want to decorate it. It depends on your personal preference too. So I served it in a casserole dish and then decorated it using some jelly pieces. I okay, and then I also used some pineapples and some strawberries. Okay, you can use anything you like. The jelly is really quick to make and it only takes you 5 minutes. I also used some thinly crushed almonds or sliced almonds to decorate it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, follow all my socials, and obviously visit my website. Hope you all will have a great day and amazing day. We'll see you all next time. Bye.